Hello and welcome to CryptoBot Profits. Today, we will talk about 9 useful day trading tips from the experts. Day exchanging may be a popular trading strategy. Here are a few of the most excellent day exchanging tips that you simply got to know to induce the finest comes about from your exchanging career. Day dealers don't care whether the showcase rises or falls as an entirety. They are looking at the different resources accessible for exchanging. Day dealers can make cash whether the showcase goes up or down. As a day dealer, whether you purchase or offer depends on several components, counting the heading of prices that day and your exchanging methodology as an entirety. Most day dealers utilize cost charts to arrange their exchanges, which they at that point carry out through a brokerage account. This article will investigate a few of the most excellent day exchanging tips that will assist you in your day exchanging travel. What is day trading? Day exchanging alludes to the hone of opening and closing exchanges inside the same exchanging day. Day exchanging techniques are more energetic and require dealers to remain at their exchanging stations and observe the live cost charts all through the exchanging session. Day exchanging is thought to be one of the most hazardous ways to explore the monetary markets, since dealers are uncovered to more chance over shorter periods. The rules for day exchanging can be very exacting. Since there are more exchanges, botches are more likely to happen and taken a toll more when they do. Best day trading tips. Information is important. One of the leading day exchanging tips is to invest in information. Day dealers have to be well-versed in both day exchanging methods and the foremost later news and occasions influencing the advertise. You ought to make a list of the assets you'd like to purchase and sell. Learn as much as you'll be able approximately the markets and the companies you've chosen to contribute in. Examine the trade segment of the daily paper and bookmark trustworthy online news destinations. Commit to a particular sum of capital. Another vital day trading advice is to decide how much of your exchanging capital you're willing to risk in each transaction. Many productive day traders invest between 1% and 2% of their total capital with each trade to minimize their exposure. Reserve sometimes your time and focus are needed for day exchanging. As a result, a critical parcel of your day will have to be yielded. In case your free time is tight, do not indeed think of almost day exchanging. Start small as a tenderfoot. You ought to constrain your consideration to no more than 1 or 2 cryptocurrencies at a time. A smaller portfolio makes it simpler to screen performance and identifies productive trades. Typically in critical day trading advice that you just shouldn't ignore. Don't put exchanges out of emotions when day trading. Time your trades. As soon as the markets open, many orders that investors and traders place begin to execute, and this can cause sudden swings in price. A skilled trader can profit in the open by spotting patterns and strategically placing orders. However, it is recommended that newbies wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes before making any trades to read the market and determine whether or not to enter the market. Although the busiest times of day can present excellent opportunities, beginners are better off avoiding them at first. Reduce losses with limit orders. Set your orders for entering and leaving trades. In the absence of a specific price requirement, a market order will be filled at the current best available price. This works well when you merely wish to enter or exit the market and are not concerned with being filled at a specific price. However, the execution of a limit order is never guaranteed. Since you determine the limit price at which your order will be executed, limit orders can help you trade with greater precision and assurance. Reduce your potential loss from price reversals by using a limit order. With a limit order, your order will not be executed immediately, and your position will be preserved if the market doesn't meet your price. Set realistic profit targets. Another important day trading advice is to understand that your day trading strategy does not need to be successful every time for you to be profitable. Even the most successful traders only win half or more of their trades. However, The profits from the winners offset the losses from the losers. Limit the amount of money at risk in each trade to a manageable amount, and have a plan for when and how to get out of the trade. Adhere to the plan. If you want to be a successful day trader, you need to move fast, but you don't have to think fast. This is because you need to prepare a trading strategy and be disciplined to follow it. Sticking closely to your strategy is more important than chasing after profits. Don't give in to the temptation to let your feelings cloud your judgment and cause you to abandon your plan. Always planning your trade and trading your plan is an important day trading advice that you should pay attention to. Why day trading is difficult. Now that we've covered the best day trading tips that day traders need to adhere to, let's consider why it is difficult to day trade. Day trading is challenging for several reasons, such as different driving factors. Since the movements of financial assets are driven by several factors, it can be challenging for the average person to make sense of them. The price of a crypto asset may fall after a particular news has been released. When this occurs, it's usually because the asset is not favored by the news. Multiple concepts. Day trading is also difficult because it requires a thorough understanding of a wide range of concepts. For instance, you need to be familiar with technical and fundamental analysis. Volatility. The financial market's tendency toward extreme swings can be challenging to navigate. Impatience. New traders can be prone to impatience as their careers progress. They are eager to get things going today so that they can reap the benefits tomorrow. A day trader's success depends on his or her ability to exercise patience. How to figure out what and when to buy. What to buy. Crypto day traders aim to profit from small movements in the prices of various cryptocurrencies. As a rule, they use a lot of borrowed money to do this. Day traders typically consider the following three factors when deciding what to buy: volatility, liquidity, trading volume. When to buy. Assuming you have already decided what to buy, the next step is to locate suitable entry points. Some useful resources for accomplishing this are ECN to Level 2 quotes, real-time news services, intraday candlestick charts. Establish and document the precise terms under which you intend to enter a position. After you've settled on a set of entry criteria, you should check multiple charts to see if the conditions you've established are valid each day.